In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Adobe Acrobat using the full 2025 guide. If you've ever found yourself needing to ensure that your PDF documents include interactive elements or dynamic features, enabling JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC can be just the solution you're looking for. So, let's walk through this process step by step and make sure everything is crystal clear so you can follow along easily. First things first, you'll want to start by opening Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. This might seem pretty straightforward if you're familiar with the software, but make sure you have the program running before we dive into changing any settings. Once the software is open and ready to go, you'll need to move on to the next step, which involves navigating to the Preferences section. Now, if you're using a Windows device, head over to the top menu and click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, select Preferences. This step is crucial, as it's where you'll be making the change to enable JavaScript. Once the Preferences window appears, you'll notice it's neatly organized with a list of categories displayed on the left side. These categories help you easily find and modify different settings within Acrobat. What you're looking for here is the JavaScript category. Go ahead and click on JavaScript to proceed. Turning your attention to the right side of the window, you should now see an option labeled Enable Acrobat JavaScript, or something very similar. This is the key setting that allows the execution of JavaScript within your PDF documents. To enable it, simply check that box. This small action will enable a host of interactive functionalities in your PDFs, making them much more engaging. After you've ticked that box, the final step is to confirm and exit the Preferences window by clicking the OK button. This will save your new setting, ensuring that JavaScript is now enabled across Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your device. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript in Adobe Acrobat. It's a straightforward process, but accessing and modifying the correct settings ensures you can take full advantage of PDFs with lively elements. Remember, enabling JavaScript can enhance the functionality of your documents significantly, allowing for dynamic content, form validation, and more interactive experiences. As you continue working with PDFs, this feature will prove incredibly useful. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides in the future, and happy document editing.